time around as compared to last.
So you just told them you didn't want to use their in-house one, and you just had this one?
Yeah, we just used our own stuff.
Yeah. Oh, she is precious. This hair just cracks me up. It's like she's got on a wig.
Hey, you know, we don't want to cry.
Oh!
Come here, princess.
Yeah.
No, Alex, hold on. Man, she's mad at her daddy. Why are you so mad at me, Alex? What'd I do? Alex.
Do you love Daddy?
What did Daddy do?
Do you love Daddy? Too loud.
Alex, why are you mad at Daddy? What's wrong?
My baby.
You know what? It's also Daddy's baby. You know who's also Daddy's baby? Alex. You're my baby.
That's mine.
And that's my baby too. You're both my babies.